Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download Fortnite on your Windows 11 PC. All you have to do is click the Windows clear on your keyboard or your taskbar, and you want to go ahead and find the Microsoft Store. If it's under the pin, go ahead and click it. If not, just simple type in Store and you will find the Microsoft Store on your computer. You can click on that to open up the Microsoft Store. Now, once you're in Store, all you have to do is use a search at the top and type in Fortnite, and you will see from the result, and you can see that it says Fortnite game. You click on that and you'll be able to get Fortnite for free. Now as you can see right here, it has, this is the correct Fortnite game. I can go ahead and I can click on this to click and get. This is going to require a certain amount of gigabytes on your PC, and as you can see right here, it requires 153 gigabytes. And as you can see right here, I have enough space because it shows that I have 278 gig, and so that is enough. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click and install, and it's going to go ahead and start to download and install this on my PC. Now this is going to take a bit of time, guys, to go ahead and do so, but once this is done, you can easily go ahead and open the game from the Microsoft Store or on your PC. You can search for it afterwards by clicking the Windows key and start typing Fortnite, and you will be able to find a game that you can easily go ahead and open it. Now, once you open the game afterwards, you will need to log into your account. Now, to log in successfully, you may need to log into your Epic Games account. So if you haven't got an Epic Games account, you can easily head over to Epic Games and create an account, which is super easy. And that's pretty much it. You will be able to play Fortnite with ease on your PC. But that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.